Do you know how cold that water is? Ozone Falls, very short hike, really steep to get down to. It's absolutely worth it. It's so awesome down here. You can just come down here and literally hang out for hours. We've been down here for like 3 hours. And it hasn't been that crowded, but I could see how it could get crowded around here. You don't need hiking shoes for this. Chacos will work just fine, because once you get down here, you can swim. I can't just cut those girls out. You're ruining my shot. Just a
Hey.
cool place. Hooper the dog. Hannah the human. Be sure to like and subscribe and go outside. We'll see you next time.